Today, I want to talk about a belief that can transform your life and empower you to face any situation with unwavering confidence. It's a simple yet powerful notion. I believe I can figure this out. When you adopt this belief, you become unstoppable. Let's imagine you have a brilliant concept for an online course. You are passionate about your subject matter, but you are faced with doubts. How do I structure the content? What if no one enrolls? Fear not. With the belief, I believe I can figure this out, you will embark on a transformative journey. As you dive into the world of course creation, challenges will emerge. Perhaps you encounter technical hiccups or struggle with engaging your audience effectively. But remember, each roadblock is an invitation to grow. With the unwavering belief in your abilities, you embrace these hurdles, knowing that you have what it takes to overcome them. Fast forward to the moment when your course goes live. Your belief in your ability to figure things out has guided you through countless hours of hard work and dedication. And now you see the impact you made on your students' lives. Their success and gratitude validate the power of your belief. So friends, I urge you to adopt this empowering belief. Embrace the challenges, master new skills, and remember that every obstacle is an opportunity for growth. When you declare, I believe I can figure this out, you tap into your limitless potential. Believe, create, and inspire. Farewell for now. Catch you later. Until then, bye-bye.